about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Hakka Training as we take you to Meinong. To get there, simply take the train to Kaohsiung and transfer over. And today we're going to find out more about the music, traditional music of Meinong. As a DJ, you know I'm very interested in this. 今天呢，带大家到美浓区哦，并不是要了解这边的美食啦，或者是风景，而是要了解他们的音乐。听说这边有美浓客家八音，身为 DJ 的我，对这块呢是有非常浓厚的兴趣了。等一下请 Leo 来介绍喽。哎呀 ，Leo， 我远远的听到很特别的声音，好像有唢呐啦。等一下，这是我们今天要介绍大家的八音吗？
当然啦，这就是美浓的客家八音啊。
到底里面有什么样的组合啊？
美浓客家八音它就一直维持传统的4个人一组的一个演奏形态。
OK，
你刚刚听到有一个很尖锐，但是又很悠长的一个声音，那叫唢呐
嘛，对，
唢呐。然后呢，再来它会有2个人拉胡琴，再来呢就是有那个铿铿锵锵那个锣鼓点，
对，
所以总共4个人，他们还受邀去法国巴黎啦、瑞士的日内瓦啦，还有苏黎世这地方表演，而且还列入了高雄市的文化资产保护里面呢。
真的是美浓的音乐以此引以为傲了吧？
对啊，除了客家八音以外，另外有一个客家歌手林生祥，你应该听过吧？
这个有啊，当然有。那他跟美浓有什么关联啊？
他就住在美浓啊，而且他还利用美浓废弃掉的烟楼来当录音室嘞。
哇，这太有创意了吧！整个烟楼就等于是一个音乐创作天地了哈。
对呀，
哇，没想到美浓有这么多音乐元素在，一定要去一探究竟。
Who would have thought Kaohsiung's Meinong district is home to an internationally renowned troupe? The Meinong Hakka Ba-ing music group keeps the tradition of the 4-person ensemble alive, with 1 on the horn, 2 on stringed instruments, and 1 keeping time with percussion. This Hakka tradition is like the heartbeat of the people, rising, falling, and changing as the Hakka customs change over time. The area also has great folk singers like Ling Shunxiang, whose local flavors express the discord between rural and urban life.
好 ，Leo， 我们讲了这么多这个客家八音，还没有学到怎么说八音呢？
对
啊，
八音
很简单哈。That is the music group called 八音。And then finally, there's a lot of instruments. 其实有很多乐器嘛。
乐器
that is 乐器 or instruments. Now you know, and that does it for today's Hakka Training on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.